Okay, so one of the things we'll focus on briefly is Smartshare. Smartshare is the tool that enables you to share a document with students in your class and for them to be able to access it. The beauty of Smartshare, it places it in the folder for the student. Okay, so they don't have to create the document's automatically placed in their folder for them to start working on. So Smart Copy on the old interface used to be a very, very small little icon. Now it's quite large and it's called Smartshare. It's down the left-hand side here. So very quickly, I'm going to click on the Smartshare icon and up comes this Smartshare interface, which is a lot more aesthetically pleasing than the previous version. So choose a file to add. Now, say for instance you were just doing a brainstorm. You could just create a document there, a blank document, put it in every kid's Google Drive folder, and away they go. All right, you've created the document for them. Or I might have a scaffold, you know, an extended response scaffold with, you know, an introduction and your topic sentence, all those sorts of things that you scaffold so nicely for your students. So you can share a document with them, and it will now go through and give them appropriate access. So if I use the example that we used before, KWHL, let's have a look. Poetic devices. I wonder if I did one for poetic devices. Okay, maybe not. Let me just go with standard KWHL. You get the point. So I select that, right? Select it. And it gives me a little window as to what that looks like. Now with Smartshare, you could actually Smartshare up to 5 documents at a time to every kid. So I could go in and add another document here if I wanted to. I could add document 2. All right. So the new interface allows you to do that. Now, what does these permissions mean? Copy, read only, comment, or write. If you choose copy, it means every kid gets their own unique copy of which they are the owner of.
And can they?
They can edit it, they can manipulate, they can delete it. All right? So they are the owner of that document, they can delete it. All right? But it's in their English folder, and if they don't delete it, you can see them editing it, them working on it. The share, read, write is the one document shared amongst the whole class. It's just like sharing a Google Doc with your whole class that everyone can come in and edit. So it might be a collaborative brainstorm that you do together. It's the one document, everyone's an editor. So you've got all 30 kids appearing up the top of the document, right? Both the copy and the share, read, write both appear in Teacher Dashboard. You see it. The other two options, read only and read comment, you will not see the activity in Teacher Dashboard. Why? Well, a read-only document doesn't change, and it's in your Google Drive.
But you'll see that it's there?
No, you don't.
Oh, okay.
It's in their Google Drive, but you don't see it because what Teacher Dashboard does is it assesses the activity on the document.
Okay.
Every time it's edited, it shows you, right? So that's why you don't see it. It's still in the kids' Google Drive folder. You can see it if you open up their individual Google Drive folder, but you just don't see it in the dashboard overlay. Okay? So that's important to note. So once we go copy and I hit OK, what this is going to do is going to put a copy of these 2 documents in all of the kids' folders in Year 12 Catholic Studies. So each student will get this document appearing in their folder. All right, so that's useful. Any questions there? Okay, I'm just going to... So we've got a poem here by Bruce Dorr.
Are we doing suggesting?
And yeah, your comments. Yeah.
I'm doing suggesting.
Okay.
That's all right.
That's fine.
I didn't want to do that though, did I?
No, the idea is that...
No, I didn't do it, it just went.
okay, so you should be just commenting. So,
No.
okay, just undo that. Okay. So you
Just
went
went
to
to suggesting.
insert comment. Top edit.
Thank you.
Okay, so we're looking at poetic devices in this poem, and we can see we've got all of our students in here commenting on poetic devices here. So if we smart shared this to our students as commenters, they could then undertake this activity. Right?